In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the expiration date of Adobe Creative Cloud. If you want to check when your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription ends, renews, or bills next, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. This is especially helpful if you want to avoid unexpected charges, confirm your plan status, or just keep track of your subscription details. To begin, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can access your account options without any issues. If you are not already signed in, you may need to log into your Adobe account first before continuing. Once you're inside the Creative Cloud desktop app, look to the upper right corner. There you should see an option labeled Adobe Account or Manage Account. Click that option to continue. This is the section that connects the desktop app to your full Adobe account settings and subscription information. After you click it, your web browser will automatically open your Adobe account page. This is where Adobe displays the details of your plan. On that page, you'll be able to review your subscription information, including what is included in your Creative Cloud plan. Depending on your subscription, you may also see your billing details, payment information, and the date of your next bill. In many cases, the next billing date is the easiest way to understand when your current subscription period ends or renews. If you are on a recurring plan, Adobe may show your upcoming payment date instead of using the word expiration. So if you don't immediately see an exact expiration date, check the billing section carefully, since that usually provides the clearest timeline for your subscription. It's also a good idea to review this page for any plan details, such as whether your account is monthly or annual, because that can affect how renewal dates are shown. If your plan is active, the account page should clearly indicate that status along with the related billing schedule. And that's it. That's how you can quickly check the expiration or renewal details of your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription using the desktop app and your Adobe account page. Once you know where to look, it becomes very easy to verify your plan anytime you need.